graph, f of x equals 2 to the x minus 3. We'll begin this by selecting values of x and finding the corresponding values for f of x or also for y. So if we start with x equals negative 2, this would be 2 raised to the negative 2 minus 3. And that's going to be equal to 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. 1/4 minus 3 is negative 2 3/4. Then select negative 1 for x. That would be 2 to the negative 1 minus 3. Remember, 2 to the negative 1 is 1/2. 1/2 minus 3 is negative 2.5. Now 0 for x. We substitute in 2 to the 0 minus 3. 2 to the 0 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Substituting in 1 for x, 2 to the 1 is, of course, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And let's do one more point. Let's substitute in 2. 2 squared minus 3. 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Let's plot those points. Negative 2, comma, negative 2 3/4 would be approximately right there. Negative 1, comma, negative 2.5 would be here. 0, comma, negative 2 is here. 1, comma, negative 1 would be there. And 2, comma, positive 1 would be there. And so you'll see the shape then is that of an exponential, and this point is y equals negative 3 is a horizontal asymptote.